Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find the privacy policy on Capcut. Let's begin. Finding the privacy policy on Capcut is very important if you want to understand how your personal information is collected, stored, and used by the app. Because for one, privacy policies are required by law for apps that collect personal data, and they provide transparency to users about what data is handled and how it's protected. Of course, by reviewing Capcut's privacy policy, you can be informed about your rights, data sharing practices, and any third parties that may have access to your data. Alright? So, for one, once you open the Capcut app, alright, and you wanted to know more about the privacy policy, explaining what personal information Capcut collects, like your location, is it going to be your device info, or media usage. It tells you what Capcut shares your data with third parties like advertisers or other companies. And for you to do that, I want you to hover to the homepage and go to the Me section on the bottom right corner if you're using a mobile device, especially an iOS or an iPhone. I want you to click on it. In this section, I want you to click the gear icon on the very top corner or the upper right corner beside the bell icon. And then go to the feedback and about and click the terms and policies. And there you go. This is where you can find the privacy policy. This would include all the information about your rights, like opting out of data collection or deleting your account. Alright, and again, it tells you what Capcut shares your data with third parties like advertisers, agencies, or other companies. Right, so that's one way for you to do it. I'm using a mobile device, and this could be a little different if you go to the WebCut for PC or the WebCut for web. But the thing is, it's kind of like this is where you find all the information about your privacy. Because for one, the policy explains what personal information Capcut collects, like your location, device info, media usage, and of course, it also includes about your right if you want to opt out of your data collection or deleting your account. And once you're satisfied with all of the information here, it's kind of like long. So if you have the time, you can read and understand all the information here. And again, all the privacy policy may exclude some countries like this one, Vietnam, and other section. You can also wanted to know more of these like terms of service, cookies and policy, and a lot more by going to the terms and policies here in the feedback and about section. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.